So here we are on Belden Moor. Got my hair tied back because this is the maiden for the glider stroke soarer. I don't know how this is going to go. It's a bit windier than I was hoping, so I'm going to add some more weight to the nose of the plane. Right, battery is 1100 3S. I got a feeling this is going to be another very short maiden. I got a place just in front of the battery where I can stick some weight. I think I'm going to turn it on to high rates. Right, let's put that down. Let's see if we get some flying done. I just fear this is going to be a very short flight. Got power? Motor active. I don't think I'm going to need a lot of power. In fact, I'm going to try launching it without any power at all. Where's the wind? There's the wind. Let's see what happens. Just a glide into the wind. Oh, wow. Well, that's working. Oops. Oops. That was a mistake of mine. I forgot to enable the motor. I'm sure she's fine. She's stable. And then I made the slope soaring mistake of turning downwind. We're all good. This time I won't make the mistake of leaving the motor turned off, which is what I did. I turned the motor off. Active track, but we know we've got lift. She seems stable. Motor is enabled. Well, that's not very good. Something went wrong with the motor there. It literally went on me. Everything's here. Have I lost the motor nut? Oh, the prop bloke. Broken prop. That's what that noise was. Well, I don't have any two-blade props. I do have some three blades. Right. I think I'm going to go high rates. Give me a bit more control. I was feeling a bit of lack of control. Lack of control there. Just check that. Yep, that's the right way. I haven't got motor brake. I think I should set it. It's literally the wind turning it. Okay. Let's turn the motor off and just let it idle. Seems to be flying. I seem to have a modicum of control. Yeah. That extra weight on the nose is giving me a chance to penetrate in the wind. That's not bad. Yeah, if I need it, I've got thrust. Turning into wind, as Sir Andrew Newton says, always turning to wind on a slope. Trying to keep over to the right here because the sun's on the left and I don't want to fly in the sun. So it's downwind and then turn back upwind. Yeah, I need the motor prop on, a motor stop on. Yeah. If I pull back, let's give it a bit of power just to go up. Oh. So I've got enough power to easily climb if I need to. But with the rising wind up this small slope, I've got enough lift just to sit there. I think I can actually take a little bit of weight off. Oh, this is a success. It's a lovely plane to fly. Needs the rudder to get good corners because you need to swing that tail around. That's good. She's coping with the wind quite nicely. Do I dare do I test? Do I test it? Let's take it up a bit higher. Let's try a loop. Oh yeah, loop's lovely. I'm tending to fly more with the actual, use the ailerons to keep it flat and actually initiate the turns with the rudder like that. The elevator's quite effective. And having that little bit of power is useful. Just giving little bursts of power where I need it. I think I could probably lose some weight off the nose. I think she's a bit nose heavy. But in this wind, I think it's helping. Certainly helping me penetrate the wind a bit better. Whoops, that was a bit of a stall, but she recovered well. Let's try stalling it. It's a very benign stall. Just drops the nose gently, unless you're in a turn, in which case it will drop a wing. When the wind drops, it can be quite a fast little plane. Right, okay, I am getting so cold from here. I think I'm going to pack it in. I think we've got enough to say that if you haven't got a broken prop and you do remember to actually turn the motor on, it's a good little slope soarer. I don't know about let's fight it back, see if I can bring it into a landing. Nice. Motor disabled. That worked. Right, okay. We'll have another go. One more flight, because this is fun. Motor active. Whoa, straight up there with that wind. The ailerons are quite effective, but the rudder is what you need in. Whoa, that was rough wind trying to push me down. There we go. Try not to use the motor too much. Who would have thought you could have so much fun with a cheap glider, some electronics, some basic electronics and servos, and a windy hill. It's amazing. Doing really well. But I'm not, I'm getting really, really cold. Needs that motor brake. Hey, landed to myself unexpectedly. Right, I think that's a success. Let's pack away and I'm going to go and get warm. Cheap glider, simple electronics, success.